Thank you for purchasing the Hisense H9E Plus TV. This video is going to show you how to access the most used features on this TV. First, let me show you how to access the applications. Use this icon to access the apps view where all the installed applications are listed. The apps view can also be accessed by pressing and holding the home button. Second, let's see how to access the Google Play Store. In the apps view, move the cursor to get more apps. Then press the OK button. Now, sign in with your Google account. You can access many more applications through the Google Play Store by logging into your Google account. Next, let's see how you may switch the input source. Click the input icon on the top right corner of the home screen. Now, the input source can be switched to your preference. Moving on, let's add channels. Go back to the home screen. Each row is called a channel. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Click on Customize Channels. A list of applications and features will appear. Press the OK button to select the channels you would like on the home screen. The order of the channels on the home screen can be adjusted. To adjust the order of the channels, move the cursor on the icon of the channel that you would like to move. Press the left button and then press the OK button. Move the channel to the location you would like and then press the OK button. Apps and Play Next cannot be moved to another location, but Play Next may be hidden. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. Click on Customize Channels. Click on Play Next, then press the OK button to turn off. Now, the Play Next channel is no longer on the home screen. The channels may also be removed by pressing the left button twice. Be sure the cursor is on the minus icon, then press the OK button to remove. Next, how to enable Google Assistant. Press the Google Assistant button on the remote. Click on Start Pairing. Then press and hold the menu button within 10 feet of the TV. Press the Google Assistant button again to begin the setup process. Click Continue. If you have read the terms and choose to get the full Google Assistant experience, click Turn On. You can decide if you would like to allow Google Assistant to use your personal information. If you agree, you may click Yes. Finally, click on Continue to finish the setup. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy your Hisense H9E Plus TV.